ni o, ọmọ bàbá tẹ̀lé ní ẹ̀sìn. Baby ni o, all the way from Canada.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My name is Judge Ayemiko, being the service conductor of CCC Oluwatosin Parish Juvenile. We are inviting you to our 2025 Juvenile harvest. God bless you as you worship.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. My name is Juvenile for being the first lesson reader of CCC Oluwatosin Parish. We are inviting you to our Juvenile harvest 2025. May God bless you as you worship with us. My name is Lawal Olaniwaju, being the second lesson reader of Oluwatosin Parish Juvenile. We are inviting you to our Juvenile harvest 2025.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My name is Prosper Shiro. We being the choristers of CCC Oluwatosin Parish. We invite you to our Juvenile harvest 2025. May God bless you as you worship.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. By day by Jesus, lead the usher of CCC Oluwatosin Parish. We are inviting you to the Juvenile harvest 2025. May God bless.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My name is Dadamiri. For being the chorister of CCC Oluwatosin Parish, we are inviting you to our Juvenile harvest 2025. As you worship with us, may God bless you.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My name is Odunko Aziz, as being the sermoner of CCC Oluwatosin Parish Juvenile harvest. We are inviting you to our Juvenile harvest 2025. May God bless you as you follow us.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My name is Kevin Monatobi. I know you'll be wondering what the theme for this year is. Our theme for our harvest is divine connection.